Yeah, now let's try to make our registration page. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to Bootsnip. This is a website where we can get some templates and we can directly start using it. So I'll search for registration form, and let's see, we get different templates here, and whatever we like we can pick. So I'm going to go with this registration form. So this is a nicely created form. I'll go and copy the HTML of this form, and this HTML I'll go and put inside our project in register.html. So let me go and paste that here, and now if I go and refresh the page, and we will see that our register page has started showing something. Login is plain simple, home is simple. If I go to register, we are seeing something. We are not getting the formatting of what this page was showing here. For that we need to bring in the CSS. So I'll copy complete CSS from here, go back to our CSS file of our project, and I'll put this stuff over here. Now since I have put this thing, I can see like CSS is registered with the page. So if I go back to the web page, home, login, register, now our registration form looks more like what we wanted it to be. So this is how we can quickly form a registration form. Let's also go and fill the login page, which will be nothing but little modified version of a register page. So I'll just go to register.html. let's copy this from here, let's go back to login, paste it here, and we'll have only few fields in the login page, not similar to register. So right now login and register, they look exactly the same. So this will not have the row, so let's remove this. Login page will have only email and password, and rather than calling it register, we'll call it login, and this one we can make as register for now, and this one will make to act like a link to the registration page. So this one will be href equals hash register. So yeah, when we come to login page, if I click this, I go to the register, and in register I'll do the same thing. I'll go to the register view, and what I'll do is here I'll say register, and here we will say login, and let's convert this button back to anchor tag a, and we call it href equals hash login. In case you already have a sign up, you can go to login page directly. So login will take us here, register will take us to that page. So here, rather than name, I'll call it username. So let's make it username, and now we see we have a login and register page which we can get started with, and we will make it work really with the backend. So when we register, request should go to the server should send back a response, and we should say display the message to user accordingly.